4 says we are having an AP. First term 3, next term 8, next term 13, next term 18. Which term is 78? In this arithmetic progression, which term is 78? Okay, we have to answer that. 3 is there, 8 is there, 13 is there, okay, 18 is there. At which place 78 is sitting? At which place? At which place 78 is there? What is that n where 78 is sitting? Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will say that suppose an is 78 and n we need to find. In this chapter, most of the time the confusion starts from what is n? What is an? Okay, here from here the confusion starts. So please try keeping it clear that here suppose an is given as a 78 and n we are trying to find. What is that n? Is that 20? Is that 30? Is that 40? Okay, so we are for now saying nth term of this AP is 78. Okay, because this one is, of course, this one is A1, this 3 is A1, okay, 8 is A2, 13 is A3, okay, 18 is A4, just like that A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, 12, 13, 14, okay, n is 78 and n we need to find. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now nth term formula an is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is 78. A is the first term, that is 3, plus n minus 1. Okay, d, that means common difference. 8 minus 3, that is 5. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will be doing the calculation. There are so many ways to do the calculation over here, but you try fixing one way, which is convenient for you. Either you can shift this 3 to other side and you can start doing the calculation, or you can keep this 3 to this side and then you can do the calculation. How? Just like this 78 is equals to 3 plus n minus 1 into 5 will be 5n minus 5. Making sense?
Yes.
Okay, 3 minus 5 will be minus 2 plus 5n, that is 78. Now 78 plus 2, that is 5n, that means 80, that is 5n, and n 80 by 5. N is 16. That means 16th term of this AP is 78. A16 is 78. N is 16 over there. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next question. Find the number of term in each of the following AP. We already have an AP and we have to find the number of term. Okay, how many terms are there in this AP? How we will be able to find the number of terms? So this 7, it's the first term. This 13 is the second term. This 19 is the third term. Just like that, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, eighth term, and 205 is nth term. Again, we just have to find what is n over here. The formula which we are using for nth term, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Sometimes we also say that this is the formula for last term of the AP. If we know the last term is 205, then we can find the placement of that last term. Is that 16th term? Is that 17th term? Is that 18th term? Is that 20th term? That many terms are there in our AP. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
It's just like in a school, there are like,
One doubt. Actually.
yeah,
In the eighth one, no?
eighth one. Okay, I'm coming to that. So, it's just like that. What is the last roll number I'm having in my register? If I'm having a register, I'm a class teacher of any of the class. What is the last roll number? And if I'm saying the last roll number is maybe 40, that means 40 students are there in my class, right? Okay, similarly, we will try finding the placement of this 205. Okay, if this 205 is sitting at 16th place, that means 16 terms are there. If this 205 is sitting at 18th place, that means 18 terms are there. Okay, this way we will be solving this question. 5, 1 and 2. I'm going to leave this question, Abdullah. Can I leave it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the nth term formula can also be taken as a last term formula. Okay. An can be written as L as well. A plus n minus 1 into D. The moment you will use the last term over here, A over here, D over here, you will be able to take out the number of term from an AP. Okay, please try keeping everything clear over here. Otherwise, from here only the confusion will arise. And there are much more trickier questions in AP. Okay, even though your NCRT is clear, you will find that there are thousands of questions which is not clear to you. And if your basic is clear, then only you will understand those questions. I am going to take question number 8. Okay, let's discuss it. An AP consists of 50 terms. There are 50 terms in our AP. Okay, there are how many terms in the AP? 50 terms in the AP, of which third term is 12, last term is 105. Okay, there are total, how many terms are there? 50 terms. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, just like that, total 50 terms are there in our AP. Okay, in which number 8, third term is 12, so A3 is 12. Okay, third term, that means A3, that is 12, and the last term is 106, that means 50th term is 106. Is it making sense to both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
50 terms are there, last term is 106. These two things are related with each other. The question is trying to confuse us. Okay, that first they will say that total 50 terms are there, then they will say last term. Why not they are saying that 50th term is 106? Okay, this will be straightforward, that 50th term is 106. Okay, this way data is not given. The data is given that there are 50 term in the AP and the last term is 106. That means 50th term is 106. The moment you will realize it, that 50th term is 106, third term of this AP is 12 given in the question, then you will be able to find the 29th term of this AP. Getting it? How? Let's do
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Here of linear equation concept, we need to use it. Okay, we will say that we know that 50th term of this AP is 106. Okay, and third term of this AP is 12. Let's use the formula for 50th term, A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, 50 minus 1, that is 49, D. That is 106. Where is A? Where is D? Nothing is known over here. Read the question. 50th term of the AP is 106 and third term is 12. Okay, so A plus N minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 into D, that is 12. We are having two equations which you can see. One is A plus 49D is equals to 106. Another is A plus 2D. A plus 49D, that is 106. Another is A plus 2D, that is 12. Two equations we are having. And we just need to solve this two equation to take out the A value and the D value. Please take it out, the A value and the D value. Yes, Amir and Abdullah, please take out. A value
Yes,
and
ma'am.
B value by using the pair of linear equation in two variable concept. And yeah, just give me a moment.
Yes, ma'am, I got the answer.
What you got as A and D?
Now I got D as 2 and A as 8.
A as 8 and D as 2. 2,
Yes,
right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, Abdullah, what you are getting?
I'm also getting the same, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Here A will be 8 and D will be 2. So we are done with number 8. Is it clear, Amir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Abdullah, read the question by yourself and then tell me is it clear or not, because whatever I am explaining that may be clear to you. But if you will read the question by yourself, will you be able to decode it, the mathematical language from here? Amir, you can continue with the next questions.
Yes, ma'am, I can. I can do it.
Okay. Similarly, question number I have taken. Okay. This number 6 I have not taken. Let me take it. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. Can you explain me, Abdullah, that what exactly the question says in question number 6? यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन हमें क्या बताने की कोशिश कर रहा है, हमसे क्या पूछा जा रहा है?
Like,
Num-
ma'am, we have to, we have to we have to find that if minus 150 is a term of AP 11, 8, 5, and 2.
Minus 150 is a term of the AP?
Yes.
या हमारे पास एक सीक्वेंस है जिसका पहला टर्म 11 है, दूसरा टर्म 8 है, तीसरा टर्म 5 है, चौथा टर्म 2 है। हमें क्लियरली दिख रहा है नंबर क्या हो रहा है, डिक्रीज होते जा रहा है। पहले 11, फिर 8, फिर 5, फिर 2, नंबर डिक्रीज हो रहा है। और ऐसे चलते 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 हमारा एपी कंटिन्यू होता रहेगा, टर्म्स आते जाएंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द कॉमन डिफरेंस। ओके, और क्या ऐसा कोई टर्म आएगा जहां पे हमें -150 मिल जाएगा? माइनस साइन देख के हमें थोड़ा भी सरप्राइज, ओके, हम सरप्राइज नहीं हो रहे। क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो सीक्वेंस है यहाँ पे नंबर्स डिक्रीज हो रहे हैं, तो हाँ एक ऐसा पॉइंट तो आएगा जहां पे नंबर डिक्रीज होते होते जीरो और उससे छोटे नंबर नेगेटिव आना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
अब हमें ये चेक करके बताना है कि क्या हमारे एपी में 150 -150 आएगा या नहीं आएगा। हमें ये बताना है क्या हमारे इस एपी में -150 एक ऐसा टर्म आएगा या नहीं आएगा। ओके, जरूरी नहीं है। चेक वेदर का मतलब होता है आ भी सकता है, नहीं भी आ सकता है। हमें ये अश्योर करके देखना है कि क्या हमारे एपी में -150 कोई एक ऐसा टर्म आने वाला है या नहीं। कैसे हम चेक करेंगे? हम बोलेंगे चलो मान लिया nth प्लेस पे -150 है, मतलब ए एन हमारा जो है -150 है और हमें एन निकालना है। अगर हम एन निकाल पाएंगे तो हम बोलेंगे -150 इज अ टर्म। अगर हम इक्वेशन सॉल्व करते करते एन नहीं निकाल पाएंगे, हमारा एन कोई डेसिमल नंबर आ गया, तो हम बोलेंगे -150 कोई ऐसा टर्म एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता इस एपी में। डेसिमल का क्या मतलब होता है? जैसे हम क्लास में नहीं बोल सकते किसी स्टूडेंट का रोल नंबर डेसिमल में है, या फिर किसी ने डेसिमल में रैंक, ओके, फर्स्ट रैंक, सेकेंड रैंक, थर्ड रैंक एंड देन 4.5 रैंक, ऐसा कोई रैंक एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता है। सिमिलरली हम जब प्लेसमेंट की बात करें, फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म, फोर्थ टर्म, nth टर्म, तो हमारा n होल नंबर होना चाहिए, डेसिमल नहीं। डेसिमल n हो ही नहीं सकता है, ये कंप्लीटली इनवैलिड सिचुएशन है। तो अगर हमने an लिया -150 और nth टर्म का फॉर्मूला लगा दिया, दैट इज a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी। हमने बोला ए एन हमारा -150 है और हम ए हमारा इस एपी में क्या है, 11 है। एन हम निकालने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं इस एपी में, कॉमन डिफरेंस हमारा 8 माइनस 11, दैट मीन्स -3 है। हमारा पूरा फोकस का है एन निकालने के ऊपर। अगर हमारा एन होल नंबर आ जाएगा तो हम बोलेंगे -150 एग्जिस्ट करता है। ओके, एन अगर 20 आ गया तो हम बोलेंगे 20th प्लेस पे -150 मिलेगा हमें। अगर हमारा एन 60 आ गया तो हम बोलेंगे 60th प्लेस पे -150 हमें मिलने वाला है। अगर हमारा n 32.5 आ गया तो हम बोलेंगे -150 जैसा कोई टर्म ही नहीं है हमारे एपी में। आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, let's do the calculation. -150 is equals to 11 plus n minus 1 into -3, so -3 n plus 3. Okay, -150 is equals to 11, 12, 13, 14, 11 plus 3, 14 minus 3n। हम यहाँ से n निकालने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। -150 -14 is equals to -3n। -164 is equals to -3n। 164 को 3 से डिवाइड करके देखो अब्दुल्ला, आर वी गेटिंग होल नंबर और नॉट?
Ma'am.
No.
I mean, yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
What you got?
164 by 3.
Yeah. 164 by 3 will be what? Divide करके check करो. Is it completely
But
divisible
ma'am,
or
we can't. No, it's not completely divisible.
it's not completely divisible? We are going to get 3. Okay, 5 times 15.
Yeah.
3 4 टाइम n हमारा डेसिमल नंबर हो ही नहीं सकता क्योंकि n प्लेसमेंट शो करता है. फर्स्ट प्लेस, सेकंड प्लेस, थर्ड प्लेस, फोर्थ प्लेस, फिफ्थ प्लेस, सिक्स्थ प्लेस, 20th प्लेस, 30th प्लेस. n हमारा डेसिमल हो ही नहीं सकता. तो ये जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में हमसे पूछा जा रहा है, दैट चेक whether minus 150 is a term of this AP, we will say no, minus 150 is not any term of this AP. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Number 7 we have not discussed. Okay, number 7 says find the 31st term of the AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. ऐसे क्वेश्चन बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चन है और बहुत सबसे इजीएस्ट क्वेश्चन के कैटेगरी में फॉल करते हैं एज ए क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द 31st term of the AP whose 11th term is 38. हमारे पास एक AP है जिसका 11th term हमें बताया जा रहा है 38 है एंड 16th टर्म इज 73 और इस एपी का 16th टर्म हमारे पास 73 है. ये हमें बताया जा रहा है. 11th टर्म ऑफ द एपी इज 38 एंड 16th टर्म ऑफ द एपी इज 73. अब हम फॉर्मूला यूज कर लेंगे 11th टर्म के लिए. a प्लस एन माइनस वन इंटू डी. यहाँ n हमारा 11th टर्म की बात हो रही है तो n हमारा 11 है. a प्लस एन माइनस वन दैट मीन्स 11 माइनस वन 10 d दैट इज 38. एक इक्वेशन हमें मिल चुका है. दूसरा इक्वेशन हमें मिलने ही वाला है 16th टर्म की हेल्प से हम लिख सकते हैं दैट a प्लस 16 माइनस 1 दैट इज 15 d दैट इज 73. now we just need to solve this two equation which is given in the which we can see in the circle and we need to find a and d. जैसे ही हमें हमारा a और d पता लग जाएगा हम बता पाएंगे कि 31st टर्म हमारे एपी का क्या होगा. कैसे? 31st टर्म निकालना बहुत ही इजी है. a प्लस एन माइनस वन 31 माइनस वन इंटू डी. ए पता है, डी पता है, एन पता है, हम 31st टर्म निकाल पाएंगे. राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
एनी कंफ्यूजन सो फार?
No, ma'am.
ओके, ये सारे क्वेश्चंस जो हम यहाँ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, यू आर सपोज टू सिट एंड यू नीड टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चंस वन बाय वन ऑल बाय योरसेल्फ. एक एक क्वेश्चन इस एक्सरसाइज के खुद से सॉल्व करना होगा फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग टिल एंडिंग. तभी एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस जब हम डिस्कस करेंगे वो समझ में आएगा. क्योंकि एपी आज भी मैं किसी भी बैच में पूछती हूँ कौन सा चैप्टर ओके किस डाउट है या फिर बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर नहीं है, तो एपी. एपी में समझने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं क्योंकि हम तो सीक्वेंस की बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, सेकंड सेकंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म, फोर्थ टर्म, फिफ्थ टर्म. एपी में क्या समझना है? लैंग्वेज. क्वेश्चन का लैंग्वेज अगर हमें समझ में आ रहा है, ओके अगर हमारी इंग्लिश अच्छी है, अगर हम क्वेश्चन के लैंग्वेज को डिकोड अच्छे से कर पा रहे हैं तो एपी हमें अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. क्योंकि इस चैप्टर में डिटेल में समझने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं. nth टर्म का फॉर्मूला है और हर बार हमें वही फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. Okay, let's do the next question. Number 9. If the third term and ninth term of the AP are this and this, the third term is given and the ninth term is given. Okay, हमारे पास एक एपी है जिसका थर्ड टर्म हमें बताया जा रहा है कि 4 है. फिर से हम a प्लस 3 माइनस वन इंटू डी, ए प्लस 2d इज इक्वल्स टू 4 लिख सकते हैं. ओके, एंड नाइन्थ टर्म हमारे एपी का -8 है. एक हमारे पास एपी है जिसका थर्ड टर्म 4 है और नाइन्थ टर्म -8 है. विच टर्म ऑफ दिस एपी इज 0? यहाँ से हमें फिर से दो इक्वेशंस मिलेंगे जिन्हें हमें सॉल्व करके ए और डी की वैल्यू निकालनी होगी. ओके, द मोमेंट वी विल बी एबल टू फाइंड द ए एंड डी वैल्यू. अब हमें बताना है विच टर्म ऑफ द एपी इज जीरो. ये जो एपी है जिसका ए हमने निकाल रखा है, डी हमने निकाल रखा है विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस टू केसेस. कैन यू टेल मी अब्दुल्ला, अगर ए3 4 है और ए9 -8 है तो हमें इक्वेशन कैसे मिलेगा?
So can't we subtract the two equations?
नो.
Like subtract equation 1 from equation 2.
What is equation 1?
I just made that right now, ma'am. Uh, A3 equals A plus bracket 3 minus 1 bracket D equals A plus 2D equals 4.
हाँ, और दूसरा इक्वेशन?
A9 equals A plus uh, bracket 9 minus 1 bracket D equals A plus 8D.
ए प्लस 8d इज इक्वल टू -8. अब इन दोनों इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करके मुझे
Okay.
बताओ व्हाट इज ए, व्हाट इज डी.
Okay.
Yes, Amir, which number you are doing? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Which number you are doing?
I'm doing 11.
Okay.
Ma'am, my network connection is not that good, so I might have to like leave and rejoin. Can I do that?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Ma'am, D is, wait 1 second, just 1 second, ma'am. D is minus 2 and A is 8.
Yeah. Okay, d is -2 and a is 8. Now it's asking that which term of the AP is 0. Can you see?
Yes.
हमसे पूछा जा रहा है इस AP का कौन सा टर्म 0 है.
So we have to use the formula, ma'am, right?
Which formula?
The A the an equals A plus n bracket n minus 1
Into d.
bracket D.
इस यहाँ पे हमें
Yes.
कौन सी वैल्यू हमें 0 लेनी चाहिए?
Uh, uh, Ish, the an that I
an.
think should take
ओके,
0, ma'am.
हम अज्यूम करते हैं कि an 0 है और चलो फिर n निकाल के देखते हैं कि 0 कौन से प्लेस पे बैठा हुआ है. मेकिंग सेंस?
Yes.
ओके, a is whatever was your a, just put it. Whatever was your d, put it, and then try finding n from here. Tell me. Yes, Amir. Are you able to do questions from here, Amir?
Yes, ma'am. So far, I've solved till 10th question.
Okay.
Um,
Do the next question wherever you will get stuck. Okay, I'll take that one at first.
okay.
Ma'am, n is 5.
N is 5.
Yes.
Yeah, N is 5. Okay. Now please read question number 10 and explain me.
The 17th term of an AP it exceeds the 10th term by 7, or like a margin of 7.
Yeah. The 17th term of an AP exceed its 10th term by 7. मतलब 17th term जो है वो its exceed means is more than. Exceed means is more than. तो 17th term है. Okay, is means you can write is equals to. Okay, more than 10th term. It's more than 10th term by 7. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
17th term, it's more than 10th term by 7. You write it this way or you write it this way, that the difference between 17th term and 10th term is 7. The way I can say my age is more than your age by 15 years. So you can write my age minus your age is 15, or maybe my age is equals to your age plus 15. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, same thing we are doing over here. And yeah, let's now we know this is the equation we are having. We know we will be able to write for 17th term, we will be able to write a plus n minus 1 into d. That means a plus 17 minus 1, that is 16d. And for 10th term, we will be able to write a plus n minus 1 into d. That means a plus 10 minus 1 into d. That is a plus 9d. That is 7. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now we will open the bracket. A plus 16d minus a minus 9d is equals to 7. A gone. 16d minus 9d, okay, is 7d. That is 7. D is equals to 1. Without solving two equation, okay, just with the help of one equation, we got the d value. Why? Because a cancelled each other. Why such a case was given to us? We have just written according to question A17 minus A10 is equals to 7. And from there we ended up getting the D value. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
And what the question is asking, find the common difference. Can you see how simple this question is? Easiest question. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
We are having the common difference. It's not asking about A. We don't even have to find A. Okay?
Yes.
Next, number 11. Read it and tell me what exactly the question is. Okay, what data is given, what is asked in the question.
The the term of the AP 3, 15, 27, and 39, uh, which of them will be 132 times more than its fourth term?
Just 2-3 time read it and tell me what the question says.
Like this is an this like these are the terms of an AP, and they're asking which term will be 132 more than its 54 term.
Yes, we are having an AP whose first term is 3, whose second term is 15, whose third term is 27, whose fourth term is 39, whose terms preceding like this, whose terms preceding like this, and like this, and like this, and like this, and there will be 54th term. Something will be 54th term. Now the question says, which term of the AP is 132 more than? Okay, which term? Okay, 54th term is A54 or maybe X. Then which term is 132 more than its 54th term? Okay, 132 more than its 54th term. Which term is that? Is that 100th term? Is that 200th term? Is that 60th term? Is that 70th term? Which term which is exactly 132 more than 54th term? Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
What is n over here? What is the placement of that term which is 132 more than 54th term? इस क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले हमें इस एपी का 54th टर्म निकाल लेना चाहिए. क्यों? ताकि हम उसमें 132 ऐड करके देख सके कि हम कौन सा टर्म एग्जैक्टली ढूंढ रहे हैं. जैसे कि हमने पिछले क्वेश्चन में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में चेक कर रहे थे कि -150 कौन से प्लेस पे बैठा हुआ है. ओके, फिर हमने और एक क्वेश्चन किया जहां पे हमने देखा 0. ओके, इस एपी में क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 में सेकेंड पार्ट में हमने चेक करा विच टर्म ऑफ द एपी इज 0. मतलब इस एपी में जीरो जीरो कौन से प्लेस पे है. अब हमारे पास सेम क्वेश्चन है बट लैंग्वेज. लैंग्वेज क्या लिखा हुआ है? विच टर्म ऑफ द एपी इज 132 मोर देन 54th टर्म. तो सबसे पहले अगर हमने 54th टर्म निकाल लिया, क्या हमें पता है हमारे पास सारे डेटा अवेलेबल है? ऑफ कोर्स अवेलेबल है. वी नो व्हाट इज ए. वी नो n minus 1. 54 minus 1 is 53. Into d, we know the common difference is 15 minus 3, that is 12. We will be doing the calculation, that is 3 plus 12, 3 times 36, 6 carry 3, 12, 5 times 60, 61, 62, 63. This is what we are getting. 636 plus 3 will be 639. This is our 54th term. इस AP में 54th term 639 है. आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
अब हमें ये बताना है कि 132 मोर देन 132 मोर देन 54th term, that means 639 plus 132. That means ये जो नंबर है इसका प्लेसमेंट क्या है, बस हमें यही तो चेक करना है. आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
चेक करके बताओ 771 कौन से प्लेस पे है. इस ये जो एपी है हमारे सामने 3, 15, 27, 39, इस एपी में 771 ओके इज सिटिंग एट विच प्लेस?
Ma'am, is it the 65th?
What you got?
65.
Let me check. Yeah, it is 65. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the next one, number 12.
There are two APs that have the same common difference, and the difference between their 100 terms is 100, and we are asked to find the difference between their 1000 term.
Two AP have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. Okay, we have seen so many APs, and when here the question says 2 AP, it's not something new. Okay, 2 AP, yeah, we can have 2 AP. Okay, one of the AP over here, another different, completely different AP over here. Okay, we can have 2 AP. We can say the first term A1, next term A2, next term A3, next term A4, just like that over here and there. First term A1, next term A2, next term A3, next term A4, just like that. Maybe 2 different AP we are having. Okay, have the same common difference. In both the AP, the common difference is same. Okay, if you are saying common difference is D over here, the same common difference we are having over there. Okay, the difference between their 100th term is 100. 100th term over here will be A plus 100 minus 1 into D. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and here 100th term will be A plus 100 minus 1, and the common difference is same. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now this condition we are having in hand. Now it says 2 AP has the same common difference, the difference between their 100 term. Difference between their 100 term. Difference, this one and this one's difference. Difference between their 100th term is 100. That means small letter A plus 99D minus capital letter A for the other AP's first term minus 99D. Why minus? Because directly I have opened the bracket. Is it making sense, Abdullah?
Yes, ma'am.
अब हम देख सकते हैं 99D गॉन और हमारे पास क्या रह गया स्मॉल लेटर ए माइनस कैपिटल लेटर ए इज 100. मेकिंग सेंस?
Yes, ma'am.
एक हमारे पास कंडीशन है दैट इज स्मॉल लेटर ए माइनस कैपिटल लेटर ए इज 100. ओके, इस कंडीशन को हम एज इट इज रखेंगे. नाउ व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर 1000th टर्म? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर 1000th टर्म? ओके, व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर 1000th टर्म? तो चलो देख लेते हैं दोनों के 1000th टर्म के बीच का डिफरेंस क्या है. स्मॉल लेटर ए 1000 माइनस कैपिटल ए 1000, इन दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस हम फाइंड करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ओके, तो स्मॉल लेटर ए 1000 का मतलब होता है ए प्लस 1000 माइनस 1 दैट इज 999. कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम है दोनों ही केसेस में. हमें पता है दोनों एपी में क्या सेम है, कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम है. ओके, यहाँ पे कैपिटल लेटर a minus 1000th term, actually it will be a plus n minus 1 into d. 1000 minus 1, 999d. Okay, now we will open the bracket. It will be a plus 999d minus a minus 999d. d term gone, and what are we having? A minus a. Already हमारे पास क्या condition था? A minus a का मतलब है 100. तो हम बोल सकते हैं दोनों के 1000 टर्म को सब्ट्रैक्ट जब हमने करा तो फिर से हमें क्या मिला 100. मेकिंग सेंस?
Yes, ma'am.